Have you decided that you want to travel to Thailand? Is all of the extra preparation overwhelming and confusing? In this video, I'm going to explain to you what you need to do step by step. Hi, I'm Andrew and this is Always on a Journey. I've recently received quite a lot of comments from some of you asking questions about the process of applying to come back to Thailand right now. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down step by step so you can understand exactly what you need to do in what specific order. Now, I'm sure most of you are aware, at the moment, if you want to come back to Thailand, there are two options available. The first option, if you're not vaccinated or if you're not from one of the approved countries, you need to spend your first 14 days in an ALQ or ASQ hotel. In today's video, I'm not going to go into detail about that option, but if you do want to watch a video, I shared my experience. It's up here. When I came back, I went through the route of ALQ or ASQ. So this video will show more information about that. The second option applies to anyone who is vaccinated and is traveling from one of the approved countries. As of the 4th of August today, what you can do is enter Phuket Sandbox or Samui Plus, and there's no need to do any quarantine, but you must be staying at a SHA Plus certified hotel. So I'm going to break this down step by step. The second option is available for anyone who is vaccinated and who is travelling from one of the approved countries. Now, if you are fully vaccinated, there's two islands which you can enter at the moment, Phuket Sandbox and Samui Plus, and it's expected in the coming weeks and months, other provinces around the country should follow with a similar scheme. The first thing that you need to do, step one, is find some medical insurance. The medical insurance that you choose, it must cover you for COVID-19 with a minimum coverage of 100,000 US dollars. This is in case you test positive while you're in Thailand to cover your hospital expenses. Now, I don't have a full list of all the insurance companies that are available, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the AXA insurance website, which is the company that I used. And I have heard from a lot of you that Safety Wings is a cheaper option, but we'll jump into the AXA insurance website so I can show you how you can get a quick online quotation. Okay, so we're in the AXA website now, and if you have a look in the description, I've left the link for the AXA website. What you need to do is click this red button which says buy now, and just put your name and your email address in there. I'm going to be Tom Jones today, but I'm not going to sing for you. And put in your date of birth. So let me just have a look at this date of birth. So I'll put my date of birth in there. Okay, and if you choose to go for 60 days, so for 2 months, and the quotation with AXA Insurance is 7,776 baht. Of course, this price will differ depending on your age. I'm 45, but if you're younger, it might be less. If you're older, it's going to be a little bit higher. Okay, and this is the Safety Wings website. So this is a price that you would pay for 4 weeks. So for 4 weeks, it's $64.68. So if we say, let's just say that's $65, times that by 2 for 2 months, that's 130. Then there's going to be a little bit longer because this is only for 4 weeks. So we're going to say it's about $140. So 140 US dollars in Thai baht is 4,631 Thai baht. So you can see with Safety Wings, it is a cheaper option. I'm not recommending one company over the other because, to be honest, I don't know exactly what Safety Wings offers you in comparison to AXA. So my advice would be, have a look at those two companies, have a look at other companies if you're interested in them. This is just to give you an idea of how you can get a quick online quotation with those two companies that I know are being used quite regularly. Next, we've got step 2, and this is where you need to make your COE certificate of entry application. At this stage, you only need to apply for pre-approval. If you have a look up here, I've left a video link for a COE tutorial, so I won't talk about how you process the COE application today. But at this stage, the only thing that you need is your proof of medical insurance. Once you've submitted the COE application, it's expected to take about 3 working days to get a response. Don't be alarmed and don't panic if it is rejected. If it's rejected, it doesn't mean you can't go to Thailand. It just means that you've made a mistake with the application. When it's rejected, you will get a pop-up message as well from the embassy, and it will tell you exactly what you need to add or what you've done incorrectly. Just amend what you did wrong and reapply, and that'll come back within the next 3 working days. Then we've got step 3. Once your COE is pre-approved, you've then got 15 days to book your SHA Plus certified hotel, and you need to receive your SHABA ID from your hotel. If they don't send that to you immediately, pick up the phone, give them a call, send them an email, because you want that as soon as possible. And you also need to book return flights. Then step 4, what you need to do is you then need to log into the Phuket swab appointment system known as PSAS, which I'm actually showing you on the screen now. With this system, what you need to do is you need to book your 3 swab tests while you're in Phuket. If you're not going to Phuket and you're going to Koh Samui, this stage is different because PSAS is only for Phuket. So if you're going to Koh Samui, at this stage, what you need to do is you need to contact your hotel and you need to pay your hotel 8,000 Thai baht to cover you for the 3 COVID tests. Then step 5, you're ready to upload all of these documents onto your COE application in order to be approved. So you'll have your flight details, you'll have your hotel booking, you'll have your SHABA ID, and you'll also have a receipt from the PSAS website if you're going to Phuket, or if you're going to Koh Samui, you'll have a receipt from your hotel confirming that your 3 PCR tests are booked and paid for. All of these documents need to be uploaded and then submit your COE application. Then, all being well, within 3 working days, your COE should be approved. If it is approved at this stage, you're all set, you're ready to go. The last thing you need to do, step 6, before departing to go to Thailand, up to 72 hours before you travel, you need to go and have a PCR test and have a negative result. And that's it. So I hope that makes it a little bit easier to understand the process. If you are still a little bit confused and you're not sure about anything, drop me a comment, let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching and have a good day.